Hello friends and welcome on my channel. In today's video I am going to share with you my healthy wholesome breakfast bowl. This is full of nutrients and a perfect way to start the day. So let's begin. If you're new on my channel, I am Vidya. I make videos on parenting and kid friendly food. If you like my channel then please do subscribe to it and hit the notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook @momimhome. So let's start. Here I am taking a medium sized bowl. I use the same bowl every day so that the quantity I eat is constant. In ingredients, I use chia seeds and also flax seeds. About flax seeds, it's said that it must not be taken as such. They should be roasted before consuming. So I used to roast them in bulk in a pan. And once they are done, just cool them down and then grind them in a mixer grinder like this into a coarse powder. When we grind flax seeds, the nutrient absorption from them is better in our body. Then you can store it in an airtight container and you can have 1 to 2 teaspoons of it every day. Then I am taking papaya. I try to have papaya every day. It is an amazing fruit full of enzymes which help in the digestion of food. Then I am also taking a small banana. So first I add 1 teaspoon of chia seed in my bowl. About chia seeds, you can add it as such in your recipes or you can soak them overnight in water and then add. Then to it I added 1 teaspoon of ground flax seeds. Then I am adding some milk to it. If you like cold milk, then you can leave it as such, but I prefer to heat it a little. Milk is very important for us women to meet our daily calcium requirement. Then I added a slice of papaya. Here I am adding a slice of apple. Now a small sized banana. Then I am adding a spoon of ground dry fruits and nuts. This is a mix of cashew nuts, almonds, walnuts and raisins. Instead of it, you can also add mixed nut butter. Its recipe is there on my channel, you can watch it. Then I am adding cereals or grains to it. I use both muesli and granola in 1:1 ratio. Granola is tastier but I find it a little too sweet, so muesli tend to balance it. Both of them actually have almost similar grains in their mix, but they taste a little different. Then a little more of papaya. So that is it and it's ready to eat. So friends, if you like this video then please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do share and comment below to give your suggestions. And if you want to watch similar videos on parenting and kid friendly food, their links are given here. They're also in the description box below. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.